Good afternoon and welcome to the second annual Gloucestershire Health and Care NHS Foundation Trust Apprenticeship Awards. It goes without saying that the last 12 months have been more than a challenge for everyone in many different ways. So with over 150 apprentices on programme within our trust, it seems even more appropriate to celebrate the outstanding contribution that each and every one of them makes to our workforce. This year's awards are based or centred around our trust values, as well as a Rising Star and Apprentice of the Year award. Good luck to everyone that's been nominated, and thank you to those who took the time to make a nomination.
So this award is based on our trust value, working together. Judges were looking for an apprentice who demonstrated an outstanding ability to work in partnership with others, encouraged teamwork and was supportive and caring to both colleagues and service users. Nominations for this award were Meg Cook, Zoe Carter, Catherine Whitcomb, Rachel Merchant and Natasha Wallace. Now, the winning apprentice was chosen for her teamworking approach and her leadership qualities. In exceptionally challenging times, this apprentice continued to demonstrate person-centred and tailored care to all service users and colleagues. This nomination provided the judge with a great level of assurance that our future workforce is in good hands. So, congratulations to Zoe Carter, Level 2 Apprentice Healthcare Assistant for the Tewkesbury Community Hospital. You are 2021's GHC Working Together Apprentice.
In the Always Improving category, judges are looking for apprentices who demonstrate a positive approach to learning, actively seek solutions, and are always striving to find ways to improve themselves and the service or team they work in. The nominees are Tom Lindsay, Jade Dixon, Sarah Walford, Stephen Shelley King, and Jen Merrifield. The deserving winner of this category clearly demonstrates a positive approach to learning and has been described by their nominator as an apprentice who is proactive and demonstrates resilience. They have translated their learning to the workplace and are sharing that learning as well as motivating others, improving not only themselves but their team. Despite their lack of confidence in their own abilities for academia, this individual has improved to the extent that their marks have risen from a pass to a distinction. Congratulations to Jade Dixon, who is completing a Level 3 Senior Healthcare Support Worker Apprenticeship, and Jade is our Always Improving 2021 winner. For the Respectful and Kind category, judges were looking for apprentices who continually show care and compassion for the well-being of others, value individuality and show appreciation when things go well. The nominees are Belinda York, Sam England, Charlotte McBeath and Faye O'Donnell. This apprentice was chosen as they have been instrumental in supporting and leading their team and always goes above and beyond in the support they offer for parents at the worst times in their lives. One particular time, they even helped a family organise the funeral of their young daughter. We would like to congratulate Charlotte McBeath, who is studying a Level 5 Leadership and Management Apprenticeship. You are our Respectful and Kind 2021 winner.
So this award is based on our trust value, making a difference. Judges were looking for apprentices whose efforts within the workplace have really made a difference and use positive feedback to make positive changes. Nominees are Amy Alexander, Jenny Christa, Jim Welch, Darcy Barwick, Elle Yem and Kate Neal. This apprentice was chosen as they willingly stepped into a new role and team with little preparation. They supported the delivery of a service outside of their comfort zone. This person displays excellent communication skills, treating service users with patience and respect, and shows an immense work ethic. All of her team have commented on what an asset they are and what great support they provide. So congratulations to Elle Yem. You studied the Level 3 Business Administrator Apprenticeship with the immunisation team. You are the Making a Difference winner of 2021.
This award is for the Rising Star Apprentice. Judges were looking for an apprentice who has made impressive progress in their career to date and have the potential to further their career within our organisation. In particular, judges wanted to know what made this individual stand out as an exemplary apprentice and what made them a rising star. Nominations for this award were Annabelle Spires and Tom Lindsay. The winning apprentice joined the Trust in 2018 as a Level 2 accounting apprentice and has since completed both their Level 2 and Level 3 with a distinction. Currently studying their Level 4 professional accounting apprenticeship, this apprentice consistently delivers over and above what they have been asked of them. More importantly, they have a genuine interest in our Trust and the NHS as a whole, and always seeks to add value in what they do. So congratulations, Tom Lindsay, you are our Rising Star Apprentice.
It's a pleasure to be involved in this Apprenticeship Award for 2021, despite the rather unusual nature of this award. And I was really pleased to be asked to judge the award for Apprenticeship of the Year. And I've done that with my colleague Lucy Blanford, who oversees practice education within the Trust alongside clinical skills. And she also oversees all the work that this wonderful apprenticeship team do as well. So I won't be the first to say what an incredible year this past year has been, 8 months or so. Incredible in the sense of the challenges that have been presented, the hard work that everybody has had to do, the extra efforts that have been involved, and the difficulties that that has placed on people's well-being and their mental health. But incredible as well because of the sheer determination that people have shown and the resilience to just get on and do despite all the challenges. And that has been wonderful to see. And that applies equally to apprenticeships, to anybody who's been doing an apprenticeship. They've had to carry on with their studies despite all these workplace challenges. And at the same time as all the training providers have had to cope with moving their training from face-to-face delivery to all sorts of different ways of getting that educational element across. So I'm in awe of anybody who's been able to continue to do their work and get on with their apprenticeship at the same time. And so on to this award. Lucy and I were really struck by the quality of all the nominations, and it was lovely to read through the words that managers had written about their apprentices, about so many people who were working hard, who were taking on extra responsibilities, who were going above and beyond, and it was really lovely to see how many people were delivering the Trust's values and working in line with those. That was really nice to read. But what really struck Lucy and I in particular were the comments from managers about the impact that these apprentices had had on the teams themselves, and how having somebody new into the team, somebody who came with new eyes and a new perspective, were having a really positive impact on the way people were doing things. It was giving them a chance to reevaluate and to put in place new ways of working that they wouldn't have thought about if they didn't have the apprentice. And I just thought how great that was. It was a real win-win situation and a really positive that people can take in terms of being an apprentice, but also having an apprentice in your team as well. But so on to this particular winner of this award. Any one of the nominations could have been a worthy winner. There were so many examples given of people who had volunteered to take on extra responsibilities and who'd done more, but also who were working with kindness and respect within their teams. But in the end, one nomination stood out particularly for Lucy and I. This person has made a real difference to their team, and in particular is making a tangible difference to the people that they're working with, to the service users who their service comes into contact with. This person is making a difference to other people, but the apprenticeship is also making a difference to her own life. And therefore I am delighted to announce that the winner of the Apprenticeship of the Year is Jeanette Prince. Well done, Jeanette.